Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. These are weeks 8 and 9 from 2019, and I had the little preview there of the kit that I'm using for this spread. So I'm just starting out here putting in my pocket cards, and this is a lovely pastel bundle, which I think pastels do usually catch my eye when I'm looking for bundles to buy. I think often, I don't know, I have a lot of colors going on in my photos. You know, I don't do a lot of black and white usually, and the pastels I think just kind of keep things more understated when you're making a layout like this, although of course I do sometimes go in for very bright colors too, so you know, take what I say with a grain of salt. But I do love a good pastel bundle with lots of white involved. So this is a really lovely bundle, lots of fun little pieces to use here. I've got my papers placed, and now I am working on putting some elements in. Some fun. This was we had kind of a long journey into spring this year. These are pictures from February when things started blooming, but we still had a lot of rain coming at this point in time. So we had, for California at least, I think kind of a delayed spring. Here I've got this lovely little bow centered on that photo there, so I was just making sure it was kind of tucked around the edges there. And now just coming in with my final elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.